Good morning. It's a very cold January morning, so I had to heat up the studio with my little fire before coming down. We're in our third lockdown because of COVID, so it's given me a lot of thinking time. So I thought I would make these spheres, the cutouts. They're quite delicate at this stage. I'll show you how much they are in a minute. A smaller one. I shall dip them in glaze once they're bisfired. So I've rolled out the clay, done all my cutouts. I'm going to use a mould, polystyrene with some muslin cloth to stop the clay sticking. I've done one half of the sphere. There it is. And this is my second go at a large one. Yeah. The thing is, the bigger you get, the more likely you're going to get collapsed. That's the other one, my first one. I'm not that happy with it because it's not round enough. It's just a bit too misshapen. So I'm going to do the other half of the sphere now, and I shall do that on time lapse for you to watch. This is my garden. A lot of birds come down. So I'll switch you off for now, and I'll do the time lapse and show you how I build this sphere.